What's up, YouTube? Strap Nasty back with that controversial ghost gun. Is it legal? Is it illegal? Is it a jammer? Or does she run? It's modeled after the Glock 19 Gen 3. It has a better grip angle and stippling. A deeper cut here and an undercut here. In my opinion, it's better than the Glock handle. It has the lightning cuts in the slide with a gold threaded barrel. It has a fiber optic front sight and a blacked out rear sight. It has extended mag release, extended slide release, extended takedowns. It's all aftermarket p80 internals. Now they're gonna try to tell you that you need Glock OEM internals, but you don't. I have about 300 rounds through this. No failures to feed, maybe 4 or 5 stove tops. Other than that, she runs. Would I recommend you building a p80? Yes, I would. Would I recommend you EDCing a p80 to protect your life? No, I wouldn't. Like, comment, subscribe, and push that notification bell so you don't miss my next gun review. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay strong.